Hey K-Bays, you are now tuned in to Keeping Up with K, and today is going to be a Halloween cat look. So I have already primed my eyes and did my eyebrows. So right now I'm just going to go in with a dark brown shade, put it all in between my crease so that we can go ahead and smoke that eye out. Going in with a burgundy just to add a little color to that brown that we already have right there. So right now I'm cutting my crease, but I'm only cutting my crease halfway. I'm not doing a full cut crease. I'm gonna stop past the middle of my eye by like a smidget. So not right in the middle, but just a little bit over, so that we can create this nice cat look. So you can use any color that you want, but I just chose to go over my concealer and do it with a gold color. I don't know, it just seemed kind of cat-like to me, black and gold. But I mean, if you want to do other colors, you're more than welcome. I'm sure it'll still look cute, but I just chose gold because I think that it looks nice on my skin. And I just like black and gold. I like that combination anyway. So I took a black shadow and I'm just edging out where we did that cut crease. And I'm just going to smoke it out, which is going to make it nice and dark. You're going to want to put a little bit of the black over that gold color just to make it blend better together. And to do this, I just used my crease brush. But then you're going to also want to take your blending brush and just blend it all out all together. So from this point until we get to where I'm drawing on the cat face, it's going to be pretty self-explanatory, and it's just going to be my normal makeup routine that I do. If you want to see my makeup routine, just to know some of the products that I'm using and what I personally like just on a typical like makeup day, I'm going to leave the link for my fall makeup look in my description box, and you can go check that out. But this will not be like a full video of the products that I'm using, all of that. So you'll have to go watch my video. got some black paint from Walmart for like $1, and I bought paint brushes for like $2. And I don't know how everybody's skin is going to react to this, but it did okay on my skin, and it's washable, which is good. But I'm just starting by going on that lower area of my nose. I'm going to outline it, and I'm just going to fill that area in black. So now I'm gonna take some paint and I'm just gonna put it down my Cupid's bow, and that's gonna connect the cat nose and the cat mouth. So after I connect the cat nose and the cat mouth, I am gonna put some paint on my top lip, not my bottom lip, just my top, and I'm gonna cover the whole top lip in paint. Now, like I said, I don't know how this is gonna make everybody react, so I will be careful, because just in case you're allergic to it, I ain't trying to have nobody out here with a fat swollen lip or a broke out face or nothing. So just make sure you're not allergic, and if you think that you may be, I would recommend getting some black lipstick and just doing it that way. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and draw 3 dots on each side so that we have a point where the whiskers are gonna come out. And then after I'm done with the 3 dots, I will be adding some whiskers to them. Now for the lip, I'm doing a glitter bottom lip, so it's going to require some glue. I'm taking my eyelash glue and I am going to put the glitter on top of the eyelash glue. And the good thing about the eyelash glue is once you wipe it off, like, it's all gonna come together as one piece. Like, once it's all just gonna come off, you're not gonna have to worry about a whole bunch of glitter everywhere. So this is the final look for y'all. All you really need is some cat ears and like a nice black dress and like your face paint and all that. But I mean, that's like cheap. So this is like a cheap little costume that you can put together for like $10 or less, because a lot of the stuff you'll already have. And that's all that I have for y'all today, K-Bays, and I will catch up with y'all later.